The laughter started as a quiet murmur and slowly turned into a moment of humiliation in front of everyone. That morning, inside the polished halls of a modern office building, dozens of employees stood watching as a cleaning lady remained in the middle of the corridor, her head slightly lowered and her hands trembling around the handle of a mop. None of them realized that, at that very moment, they were making the biggest mistake of their lives. Before we continue, take a quick moment to support the channel. If you believe in kindness, second chances, and treating people with respect no matter their job, please like the video, leave a comment, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. The woman's name was Elena. She was about 50 years old, with dark hair tied in a simple bun and a loose gray uniform that hung softly on her thin frame. Every morning she arrived earlier than anyone else. She quietly cleaned hallways, desks, and windows before the employees filled the building. Most people barely noticed her. To them, she was just part of the background, until that day. The trouble began when one of the youngest executives rushed through a glass door and accidentally knocked over Elena's bucket of water. The clear water spread across the shiny floor, soaking several important documents he had been carrying. Frustration instantly took over him. His sharp voice echoed through the hallway as he blamed the woman, pointing at her as if she had ruined the entire morning. Within seconds, people gathered around. Some watched silently, unsure of what to do. Others whispered and laughed nervously, turning the uncomfortable moment into something even more painful. Elena tried to explain that she had just finished cleaning the area and didn't expect anyone to push the door open so suddenly, but her soft voice was lost among the harsh comments and impatient complaints. What none of them knew was that Elena had spent the entire night at the hospital with her sick sister. Despite the exhaustion in her eyes, she had still come to work early because she needed the job to support her family. She stood there quietly, trying to stay calm while dozens of eyes judged her as if she were nothing more than a problem to be removed. The situation grew even more tense when the building manager finally appeared. Many employees expected him to simply fire the cleaning lady and end the awkward scene. Instead, something unexpected happened. The manager looked at Elena for several long seconds with an expression that confused everyone around him. Elena slowly lifted her eyes. There was no anger in them, only deep sadness and quiet dignity. Then the manager calmly asked everyone to return to their offices. His voice was steady, and the sudden seriousness in his tone made the hallway fall completely silent. What happened next left everyone speechless. Because the woman they had just humiliated in front of everyone was not who they thought she was. Before the story ends, tell us in the comments, do you believe people should be judged by their job or by the kindness in their heart? And if this story touched you even a little, please like the video, leave a comment, and share it with someone who believes every person deserves respect. Sometimes a simple story can remind us how powerful kindness truly is.